Oh, just see how the market is coming up. And most of the traders will be migrated to this new space.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
You can see here the proposed construction of Luanda Modern Market, Vihiga County, financed by the government of Kenya. Eric is here in Lwanda.
Siri ni amosa, unasema usiambie mtu, ambia watu. Usiambie watu wengi, sio? Sawa.
Ariko namba self. Namba self. Andaye busia Eric.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. And this is a dynamic city. To all those who are joining us for the first time, this is Shifting News. Welcome to this amazing channel. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. To all our returning supporters, we say thank you. This is supposed to be the main stage for buses, for shuttles, but unfortunately the market is under construction, and right now they have to, you can see even now with the coming of the rain, now it is helter-skelter. Let's see if we can manage to go around the market that is being constructed before the rains come in full swing. Remember, we are shifting here from Luanda Market, Lwanda town along Kisumu Busia Road, and we're just going to check on this modern market being constructed around this place. So our people from Vihiga County, and especially now the Lwanda township, you will be getting a new market, a new modern market. Now with the rains, traders have to shift a little bit. Even the workers who are constructing the market are still on site. So it will be a storage market. Not sure if the traders will adopt the market, because sometimes you will realize that you have a market, a new market, but most of the traders won't easily adopt to the new modern market. They'll always prefer being near the traffic, and that is along the highway. So you can see rains are not a friend for everyone. Let me try wiping the camera. I believe it is okay. So this is within Lwanda Market. Have posho mills. Oh, just see how the market is coming up. The new modern Luanda Market in Vihiga County. Remember to hit the like button. Let's hear your comments in the comment section. Let's know what do you think about these construction activities in different regions of our country. So the bad thing is the rains have caught up with us, and we are on the move, and we may be forced to move to another area. You can see workers still on site. This is the construction of the new modern Lwanda market. So it will be storage building, and most of the traders will be migrated to this new space. And for sure, when you walk through our country, a lot of activities are going on. Constructions here and there, improvement here and there. The storage market, the new modern market known as Lwanda. You can see workers. The rains have caught up with them, and right now they are forced. Let us see what is written here. You can see here the proposed construction of Luanda Modern Market, Vihiga County, financed by the government of Kenya. Main contractor, Session Blue Contractor, Contractors Limited. So that is so the main gate to the market will be here. Let's hope people will be adopting to the new market where they will come to enjoy the new space. So if you're watching us, we are here in Lwanda town. If you want to go to Nairobi, you want to go to Busia, if you want to go to Kakamega, Siaya, Majengo, Mbale, you can easily connect from this place. And as we said, we started from this side. This is the main stage, but right now traders have migrated to that space. So most of the buses and shuttles are now along the highway. This is within Kenya, Vihiga County, just a few kilometers from Kisumu city. And welcome to the growing Kenya, growing places, and dynamism. So if you head like this is the main highway that will take you all the way to Kisumu. And then when you come like this, it's currently drizzling, and I believe across the country it is drizzling. You can see fruit vendors along the highway. So when you're visiting this area, you can enjoy fruits, even delicacies, pineapples, oranges, name them, all are present here. And this, if you go like this, you'll be heading to Siaya, to Busia. And this served as the main entrance for the vehicles headed to the main stage. Let me cross, go to the other side. So thank you for having enjoyed the view of Luanda Market, the new modern Luanda Market. And we appreciate you for always supporting us. Thank you, and see you in our next video. So to all those who are joining, welcome to Shifting News. We are here in Lwanda town, one of the unique towns situated along the main highway that heads all the way to Busia, here in Lwanda. So if you go with this road, you'll be heading to Game, to Siaya town. Then this other road that straight is the one that will take you all the way to Busia. Meanwhile, let's see the vibes in Luanda town. You can see chapatis on the way, on the road. There is always a good canopy. That is what we are anticipating to capture on this side as we walk. Just the canopy, then we'll be back. Meanwhile, we say thank you for joining, thank you for the support, thank you for standing with us. Just see the canopy along this section. I'm sure this one gives a very unique vibe. When you are at the countryside, there is some vibes that you can't really find when you are in Nairobi city. I hope you're enjoying the canopy of the trees, how they have formed along this highway. In a vehicle, you enjoy some scenic views when crossing here, giving you some unique vibes, until you can just say, why can't all our roads be like this? Meanwhile, in the comment section, let's get your comments, let's get your views as we try to walk here in Lwanda. The weather, the clouds are changing. These sides, when you happen to purchase fruits, to purchase vegetables, the likelihood of them being fresh from the farm is 99.9%. Here you will find farms in the nearby areas. People will farm and then they'll distribute be it vegetables. And right now in most sections, people are tilling their land. Most of them are planting. You know, here in Vihiga County, or along this section of Lwanda, people always have 2 seasons. Like they plant twice in a year. But when you go...
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.